Welcome to M.A.W. Tip. Today I wanted to talk to you about water-fed polling. Now, I pulled and scrubbed the heck out of this, and my shoulders and neck is tired of scrubbing. It just wasn't coming out. I don't have a bronze attachment on here, but here's another alternative. This was more or less an experiment, but I poured Barkeeper's Friend on the bristles of my brush, constructor brush. I'm pretty certain it's going to work, but I'm going to give this a shot and see if it'll polish the glass without the bronze wool part. I'm pretty certain it will, but we're going to find out, and I'll get back to you. Welcome to M.A.W. Tip. Today I wanted to talk to you about my theory proved correctly. I know you could probably see the Barkeeper's Friend on there. It dried because I had to fill up my tank. But I scrubbed this whole top row very, very thoroughly with the tap water. And surprisingly, it doesn't have any spots, so I'm not going to follow up with pure water. But my theory proved correctly. My theory proved correctly, and the Barkeeper's Friend does work on the brush. You just have to really put a little bit, because when you add water, it's going to take a while for it to, because you don't need much. You just need a little bit more elbow grease, because if you didn't put it on there.
Call from Rick.
And what happens is it polishes the glass. Salt scrubber will do the same thing, for those who don't know. But for the most part, yes. Give it a try. This is Masters at Wagtail. This glass is hydrophilic. It's not hydrophobic, where, the water kind of like runs away from being wet. Like it'll travel upward because it's not wetting the whole window. It's like it has a coating on it. But there's some spotting just a little bit down the bottom, but I don't think she's going to say anything. So this is going to save me a whole heap of time scrubbing it with this water. If you scrub it the heck out of it, and as long as you see that water sheeting, I think you can get by most cases. I don't know, because the water fed is not my game, but I'm learning. And I'm pleased with the results. But all right, that's all I wanted to add.